Hey guys, Scott with RV Wholesalers. Here today to talk about some things that you might want to bring with you when you go camping. So the first thing we're going to talk about is some basic tools. You never know what's going to happen when you're out there camping. So having something like a screwdriver with multi-bits, the most common screw you find on a camper is a number 2 square bit. But a screwdriver, multi-bits, maybe a wrench or two, adjustable, things along those nature. That way if you have any problems, you have something that you can fix the camper with. That way if you run into something out of the norm, you got that. Having some fuses with you is always a good thing as well. Some other things that you bring with you when you go camping, always make sure that you have the proper adapters. You never know if you get to a campground and you need a 30 amp adapter for your 50 amp camper or vice versa. Not too many times you run into the scenario where you have a 30 amp coach and they only have 50 amp service. But if that does occur, if you have that adapter, it's always good to have that with you. Some other things that you can take with you or that you should have as a new RV owner, definitely an RV surge protector. Any kind of surge to the coach is not a warrantable item. So if you have that surge protector, it's your first line of defense of keeping the coach safe if you have any electrical problems from the campground that you're at. So keeping one with you at all times is always a good idea. Some other basic things that you can take with you. Always make sure that you have your sewer hose, your garden hose, and definitely something to keep yourself safe when you're draining it. Rubber gloves or plastic gloves. That way when you're draining your sewer, you don't get any of that waste on you when you're at the dump stations. Some other tips that we've got, make sure you know how tall your trailer is. You never know if you might have a low bridge on your path that you're going to, or you're going into a place where they've got something that's going to be in the way that might be catching the roof of your camper. Any roof damage is going to be a major leak potentially. So knowing how tall your coach is with anything that's on top, whether it's the air conditioner, vents, whatever it may be, is always a good tip. Other than that, those are pretty much the basic things that we would say that as a new RV owner that we would recommend that you always make sure you have before you leave. Take with you, keep inside somewhere, as an emergency kit or whatnot. That way when you're out there camping, you're ready to go. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4499.